Rebound ni Jeric. Jeric again. Wala pa rin. Allen, pinasa kay Ampoy. 2 points. 15. Two points. Pa. 15. Foul called by 34. Puta, grabe na rebound. Bam! 2 points by number 18. 5. Okay, kakala na kakabot ng manok. Patay kayo dyan. Pasok. 3. Uy! Uy! Good! 2 points by number 4. Okay. Shoo! 2 points back. For 3. Miss. Rebound ni Igor. 2 points by Hababag. Bullet pass over 3. Bad! 3 points by Bullet Passion. Passion hawak ng bola lilipad. Pinasa Tolentino. Easy 2 points. Tapos. 2 points by Serrano. 40 seconds. Hindi na makayo ko. 2 points. 30 seconds. Bang! 2 points by Richard. 2 points. Brada. Patay ka ito kay Kuya Kal. Automatic yan. Yes, sir. Uy! Sabi ko na. 2 points by Robles Ale. Kaya nga eh. Ako na lang walang championship sa One Day League. 2 points. 2 points by Trinidad Jolo. Marasan to Kuya Maiton. Kuya Maiton tumanasan. For 3. Ba! 2 points. Ampoy, Chamba. 2 points. Miss. 2 points. Allen Robles. Yumoyo ko pa si Allen ah. 2 points by Guzman Richard. Steal by Kale.
Abando!
2 points.
Hello. 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 Miss, everybody kaya card, 2 points.
Bahay?
2 points. Miranda.
Taka na, naging acapella. 2 points.
Set to shoot. 2 points by Serrano.
Swing by Richard Lopez. 2 points. Points, 40
14 to shoot. Shoo! Wala. Kuya Maiton, 2 points. By Kuya Miss. Very good. 2 points by Ampoy. Miss, rebound ni Kuya Maiton. Pinasa kay Robles. 2 points. Jolo, lumipad. 2 points. Mags Electrician. Uy! 2 points. Two points by Ampoy. Manasan. Miss. Rebound ni Ampoy. Ito ba? Sama. Okay na. 2 points. Two points by 2 points by Jolo. Ayan. 3. Miss. Joker, miss. Tinapik, 2 points. Foul. Traveling violation. Two points. Two points by Jolo. Shoo! 2 points by Jolo. Pang-reels. Foul captain. 1 minute and 5. 2 points by number 10. Yun namin pang-release na. 8. 5. 3 points. Rebound. Robles. 2 points. Chamba. Malas. 3 points by Malasan. Hindi pa din mo siya city. Sablay. 2 points. Uy! Yung pala. Ganun lang kasimple ang sa kay Jolo. 2 points. Kaya na, Jolo. 2 points. Kaya na, Jeric. 2 points. Wala ka naman ganun po eh. 2 points. Sa Dembula yung may sub. Bam! 3 points. Tayo nakahiga na sa area yun ah. Dunk Jonathan. 2 points. Jeric. 2 points by Serrano. 5 minutes and 10. Hoy! 2 points by Ampoy. Ha? Mauliit na. 2 points by Ampoy. 2 points. 4 minutes and ginagana. 2 points. Konti na lang oh. Konti na, matatapos tayo. 2 points. 2 points. Sa taas ng ring ah. 2 points. Ano, kapag bigay si Kaya Kal, ay ito tira. 3 minutes. 2 points by number 23. And the winner of 1 Degree Papaus League month of July is Team 6, Team Maiton. OP.
Nice boy! Nice na lang wala.
Ako na lang walang championship. Kawawa.
Nakakapagod.
Okay, ang ating best player. Masakit man sa loob ko. na siya ang best player. Here, points, 30 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, 0 rebounds.